Okay, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to do microtask. Every one of us have that extra 15 to 20 minutes in our day, but instead of mindlessly scrolling on social media for free, you could be getting paid for every single click. Okay, every single click. So there are a lot of sites that you can convert that your free time to money. That's your free time to money. If you don't have anything serious thing doing, you can use that free time to start something. Just go to different sites and do some micro tasks. So in this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to one of the best sites. You can see all those micro tasks that can actually pay you real money. And as there are a lot of them, but most of them doesn't really pay, or what they are paying is very, very tiny. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you uh, some of the best platforms you can actually use. In fact, best platforms and the easiest ones. So let's go. The first one we want to look at is SproutGigs.com. We'll be looking at SproutGigs.com. Okay. Uh, Actually, those, like on our previous video, we've done all these things before. For those that are joining now, we've already treated all these topics before, but as some of them, some persons demands, we are going to uh, treat all of them again. So let's go. So the first one we are going to look at is Sprout Gigs. Okay, SproutGigs.com. So look at and the website is SproutGigs.com. You just enter SproutGigs.com. Now SproutGigs.com will take you to this interface where you can explore gigs. Okay, you can explore gigs and you can see different gigs. Okay, this in the sense that these are people like you, okay, who list their services, what they can do. Okay, this person is saying I will create 5,000 plus do follow backlinks for top ranking. Okay, I will increase Ahref, Ahref for DRO 30 plus of your website. I will set up WordPress blogger website for ad revenue. Okay, so um, there are a lot. So you too can list your services. If there is anything you can do here, if you are a web developer, AI web developer, you can build AI website or AI mobile application. You can also come and list your um, your skill or the service you are willing to render here. It must not necessarily be a tech skill. It must not necessarily be a tech skill. It can be any kind of skill. Okay, any kind of skill that you know people will need. Okay, you can come and list it here. Okay, and if you let's go. Okay, I've already logged in. Okay, I've already logged in. So as well, I will have to you will have to log out and log in. Okay, okay. So if you are new here, okay, if you are new here, all you need to do is to register first. So for that, let me log out this account. I hope I don't forget this password. So here is the interface. We are back to the interface, right? So it is either we sign up. Okay, so the sign up process is seamless. So here it asks if you are a freelancer or you are a buyer, right? You that wants to make money, you select I want to earn as a freelancer. You are not a buyer. Okay, so you fill this information. Please, this your information should be your actual real names. Okay, your actual real names. Don't fill dummy informations, because these are the same informations that will be required when it is time for payout. Okay, when it is time for payout, so make sure to fill your real informations. Okay, and for nickname you can add anything. Okay, it's like a username, so you can add anything. So let me, I already have the account, so let me just go ahead and log in my account. So I'm going to log in, and oops, I remember my account. Okay, password. Remember me. Okay, you verify the account, and let's log in. Or two-factor authentication. Okay, you will set your two-factor authentication too. I have mine. I use Google Authenticator. So if you set your own, you come to your Google Authenticator app during registration. In fact, after registration, before you will be allowed to do anything, they will ask you to set up all these things, your security, everything, before you can continue. So that's why I have um, that's why they are requesting for this two-factor authentication code. Okay, so I already have the two-factor authentication, so let me enter it. So it's 826 and enter. So if I enter wrong pin, it will not allow me in. Now it's correct. So we are back to the gigs. Okay, so these are what I explained earlier in our interface. And if you look at this place, it highlights as a freelancer, not a buyer. Okay, and so I changed my profile just now from freelancer to buyer, but I don't want to buy anything. Okay, I don't want to buy anything. So let me return it back to freelancer. Okay, good. So I'm back to my freelancer. Okay, and if you come to your profile, you see account setting, share at end. So so if you don't work, you can just be sharing your referral link. Okay, and if people make money from your referral link, you earn too. Okay, you earn too. This is where you will be seeing your rankings, your gigs ranking, support, and all. So apart from that, where we want to do the main work is micro jobs. Okay, you come to micro jobs, then you hit this find job. If you are completed any job or any task, you will see the number of tasks completed in this place. Okay, if your the pay is satisfied plus paid, you can see pending, you will see everything here. So let's find job. Okay, the jobs that we want to do. Okay, and you will see different jobs in this place. This one said sign up or install app. Sign up and install app. We can even filter by category. Okay, filter by category, payment, price range. You want to like the kind of offers you want to see. Okay, if you don't want to see maybe 0.20, you just want to see offers from $1 and above. Okay, you can set it to that's $1 and above. So that way, if you save apply, you would see all these ones that are offering 0.25 cents, 0.25 cents, 0.17 cents. Okay, you will start seeing from all these ones that are maybe $2, $1 and above. Okay, apart from that, let's clear this one. You can also set category depending on what you want to do. If it is Telegram or you want to offer social media, TikTok, anyone you want to offer, you can just filter based on whatever of service that you want to do or task you want to do. So you can just leave it as general like this and keep scrolling on any task that you want to do. So this one simply says sign up or install app. Okay, either you sign up or you install app. So let's click this one and see what it offers. So finish the job, prove, let's sign up or install the app. And what do they want us to do? They are telling that we should go to this link, okay? Go to this link and complete one offer. Complete one offer. Let's, for example, we'll copy this link, then we'll come to a new browser, then we paste, right? And we'll paste it. Let's see what will happen. I'm seeing locked. Okay. Okay. Complete any offer to unlock. Win a mystery box prize. 2 minutes. Win a mystery box prize. 2 minutes. So for instance, if we come back to it, it said what? Uh, what's expected from freelancers? We'll go to this link, complete one offer, right? If you are eligible, a code will be granted. Submit it as what? A proof. So okay, so all you need to do is just you copy this link, you paste it, and if you are successful, you copy whatever thing they are giving to you. So whatever thing is given to you, then you paste the code. Okay, you paste the code or submit the code, right? Once you get the code, you come and submit it here. Okay, so just follow the procedures. In all of them, they will give you procedures on how to arrange them, or follow on how to get your reward. Okay, just follow them up, and if you get it, um, you can use it. Another thing is, you can also use this API doc. Okay, there is API doc. You can also integrate this and build a website. You call it your name, right? Call it your own name and use this API. So integrate this particular informations or these jobs to your website, so people can also come to your website and do the same thing. Okay, you can also do it, and depends on how you want to make money from it. So make your research well and how to make money from that. So that way you do not need to be taking all these you don't have to be taking all these surveys and tasks by yourself. People will come to your website, and as they are using your website, you also make money. You will have your logic inside there. So that is that for um, SproutGig. Okay. Now the next one we want to look at is the next one we want to look at is Microworker. Okay. Let's look at Microworker. Microworker.com. Okay. Let's look at the name is microworker.com. Okay. So just like uh, SproutGig, Microworker is also another one that is very good. Okay, that is very good for this kind of task. Here it has you can take a survey, process students, label the something sentiment analysis. You can do a whole lot of things inside here too. Let's try login. It also has an API. Okay, it also has API. So let's open try to log in the account. What's wrong? Okay. Uh, Micro worker having network issues. Let's Okay, so while microworker is loading, I think it's probably having issues. Okay, let's try login. Okay, since it's not really loading, you can use your free time to go through microworkers. You can go through microworkers. Like I said, it also has API. You can log in or register and see how it actually works. Okay, it's almost the same as the previous one that I explained. Okay, the next one I want to show you guys again is CrowdGen. Okay, so let's open CrowdGen. Crowd CrowdGen. Okay, CrowdGen. Okay, so go crowdgen.com. Yeah. So this is crowdgen.com. Okay, and if you look at it, it's a global network of domain expert, language specialists, and skill. So let's accept it, and it says it is built for stay safe from scams. Good. Yeah, that's it. So built for people who take pride in their work. As they are designed, create your account in minutes. So let's quickly create an account. Let us quickly create an account and see how the inside is with CrowdGen. Okay. So one thing is most of all these sites they don't support Google login. I do not know why. So let me check my email and confirm it. Where is my email? So now I'm going to go to my email, open the email. So I got the CrowdGen link. So they said it's 445222 44522. So let's verify, and okay, we continue. So please, if you should fill in with your real information, okay, real informations. Okay, so I'll just be using test information. Okay, so you that is doing this thing should know that you should use your actual information. Okay, and let's say 234 okay, it's complete number. Let's just agree and continue. Phone number is required. So address. Uh, okay, let's just pick this dummy one. Okay, and let's just keep this one. And we'll leave all these remaining things as this way. State. Okay, state is not selected. Country. Okay, we'll select Nigeria. While the state is still not active, and okay, we probably country. We'll select Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria. So states. Gonna Okay, no wahala. Okay, add language. Which language can you speak? I speak English. And which other one? You can add as many as you can. If you understand British. Okay, so um, just English. I'll keep just English. Okay, and where is the other one? Uh, two accents. I'm going to remove. I'll leave it as none. Just leave English and add profile. I am not ready to add profile. Do you have a resume on LinkedIn? Yes. If you want to connect your resume, you can say yes, but I'll say no. And something is missing. That's why we have not filled something somewhere, something somewhere, and it's not even telling us. Save your address to continue. Okay, let's save this address. Okay, now the address is saved. What is still missing? Okay, I don't want to add the profile. Okay, let's add to profile, and then resume. No, I don't need it. Okay, let's work on education. Please, you can fill all these things later. Summarization, prompt writing, what you can do is the response evaluation, rubric design, transcription, translation, code review, the ones you can do, multilingual review, audio labeling. So is it Q&A creation, the ones you can do, you select them. And also the ones you can do, is it that AI or anyone, just select as many as you can. Select as many as you can. And web front end, the languages you understand, is it Markdown, React, Mumbai, Flutter? Which one do you understand? Okay, just select anyone you understand. You pick them, pick everywhere. Just select anyone selectable and just continue, confirm and continue. So the registration is almost done. Okay, profile is setting up. Choose your projects. Now let's continue. So now let's log in once again with our account, and good, good. So too many things. Master service agreement. We need to fill this agreement. If you have the time, you can go through and read the whole agreement. Okay, you can read the whole agreement, then you sign. Okay, so I will simply say um, and then let's go scroll to the last, and I understand and I accept. Understand and I accept. So what else again? I understand, or I have read and I accept. What again? Okay, I accept. Finally, we are now into our interface. So they said you should scan the QR code with your authenticator app. Okay, so like I said, this is how you will set your authentication. Okay, um, you will have to scan the QR code with your authentication app. So let me use my authenticator app to scan this one. Okay, I do not really need it, but I'm just going to do it. So if you don't have this QR code, just go to Play Store, type authenticator app, Google authenticator app. They will You will download the authenticator app from Google. Okay, just download authenticator app from Google. Then you use it to scan it. Okay, once I scan it, okay, once I scan it, it automatically adds it. Okay, now once it's added, I'm going to provide the code for 6 3. Okay, and let's verify. Okay, good. This is my interface. Okay, this is my interface, and you can see profile detail, pending transaction. Let us help you. There are a lot of many others. Okay, you can come to the project, and currently you have your available project. There is no thank you for your interest in CrowdGen project. At the moment, there are no project available for you. So what you do is you come back and check. Okay, you come back and check whenever a project is available based on your selected category. You will see something. You will see something there in this your project area. You will see a project. If there is any project available for you, you will see a project there. Then you go complete that project. Then you wait for another one again. So that's how it works, and it's always very good. Okay, you can just double check the project before starting. Okay, so always come back and check. You can even do some other things. Okay, come back to. Okay, so come back to project and always check this place. Okay, so that's for CrowdGen. Okay, the other ones we want to introduce to you again. Uh, so the next one is GoJelly. It's GoJelly gojelly.com.ng. So come to gojelly.com.ng. Please, we are not going to continue all those registration process again. Okay, see online in Nigeria with simple daily task. Okay, so go through gojelly.com, register your account, and the same processes. Okay, just go register your account, come to your daily task. Okay, once you register and you log in, you will see your dashboard and how to go about everything. Okay, so that's for GoJelly. So another one I will want to introduce to you guys is Remotasks.com. It's called remote remote task remotask.com. Okay, so look at remotask.com. Uh, so you see remotask.com. So still you select the one you want. Which one do you like? Is it communication, personal finance? So let's say personal finance. Okay, and okay, so it's actually redirected to open ecosystem. This is not what you wanted. Uh, remotask.com. Okay, okay. I know I made a mistake. So it's remote tasks. So remotasks.com, not task. Okay, so I was even surprised. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so you see part-time jobs, work at home jobs, hiring urgently, work from home customers. So you can just check, go through it, and select any of your choice and just continue. Okay, and just go through it, use your time to go through it, check it well, and do the category that fits you best. Okay, and the next one I want to show you is OneForma. Okay, it's OneForma.com. So, and almost all these things, the main part is all the sites are the same. Most of them they have survey and the same method. So if you can uh, complete a task in one, you can do that same task or another task in another site. They are all almost the same. Okay, they are all almost the same, just the same logic but a different owners and different payment methods. So different payment methods. So as this is for one format, so at the end of the tutorial I'm going to drop all this link. I'll compile all this link and put it on the comment box for you. So what we are basically doing here is to introduce you to all these different platforms that you can get something doing, okay, with your free time, to at least earn some cash. Okay, so this is one format. You can also go through it. Remember, all of them, the registration, the sign up processes are a bit bulky, so we don't want to go through all those sign ups again. So you can use your free time to sign up to all these accounts, test them, and log in and start doing your thing. Okay, I'm just introducing you to all these different sites. Okay, this is one format. Okay, if you look at it, they have software engineering, healthcare and medicine, legal and law, language translation. If you understand Chinese, Spain, French, you can just apply for any of this category. And if you're selected or if you are picked, you translate for people and make money. So finance and accounting, education and political science, and so a lot of them, a lot of them. So you can. It's not just about tech. Okay, even if you know nothing about tech, you can still come here and make something out of it. Okay, so that's for one format. So another one I want to show you is Toloka. So yeah, so this Toloka AI. Okay, so look at this one too. Okay, so this is Toloka is another one again. You can, so this one is basically for training AI agents and LMFs. Okay, so you might need sometimes this one may need a small skill to be able to um, train, but sometimes they even train you on how to train these AI agents. So just for you to get selected, and they will even train you how to train their AI agents. So some of them, if you just go through it, just use your time, go through it, um, register the account, just go and apply. Once you are selected, you are good to go. No time to waste time. In fact, some of them you don't even need to be selected, the job is already there. Just go and select the one you can do. If you do it correctly, you get paid immediately. So, and another one, I think that will be the last one I'm going to show you guys for today. Look, I think this is the last one. Okay, I think this is the last one because the other one is the one I wanted to still show you was Microworker. You can just go to Microworker and check it again. Like I said, I'm going to drop all of this, okay, all these links, and I might even add some other bonus ones into in the comment section and also in our telegram channel. Okay, also in our telegram channel, so I'm going to drop all of them for you. And most importantly, how do you get paid? Okay, if you are earning in dollars, how do you get paid? So it's simple. There are two ways. So you go and get a PayPal account. Okay, you get a PayPal account. So come to paypal.ng, right? So create a Nigerian PayPal account. You don't need to create a US or UK PayPal account. Create a Nigerian PayPal account. PayPal now accepts Nigerians from receiving money. So go straight and create a Nigerian PayPal account and use it to connect it. Almost all of them, all these sites accept PayPal, and PayPal is very easy. But the only thing is, when you are registering for PayPal, make sure say your information actually tally with your bank details. Don't fill something that is different from what your informations actually are. Okay, so you must fill the right information in your PayPal PayPal. Okay, and if you don't use a PayPal account, there is another one you can also use, and that's Payoneer. You can go to Payoneer and also create account. Okay, Payoneer is like, our normal gray and all those ones. Payoneer will actually uh, you now actually generate a US or UK dollar or pounds account for you, account number. You actually get an account number that you can even send to anybody in UK, US to send you money, and you will receive it and send it to your Nigerian bank account. So you can use Payoneer or you can use PayPal. Any of them actually works. Okay. So that is that for our class today. Please use your free time and go through all these, try your time and register and test it. I wish you all the best. See you guys in another class.